Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATHX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But quite the crazy movement today, unfortunately, in the bearish direction. So updates need to be done. Just going to go ahead and get rid of that level. Sure, that level pertains. It's not relevant though right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first update though that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $3.50 going to be the initial level of resistance now in a play. But before you really put any sort of focus or attention on that level, the next, or I should say the first level would then be the purple line right here, the 50-period moving average. And again, that just goes back to the foundational rule that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And if you did watch the video from Wednesday, then I talked about that level being the overarching level of support. And that's why it's unfortunate that the price ultimately did fall down below it at that point. But if the price does, like I said, bounce back upwards, that'll be the first key level. And then, like I said, more the overarching point of view up there at $3.50. As far as levels of support are concerned, really two main levels stand out to me. First level, nothing fancy or complicated behind it at all, other than where the bleeding finally stopped today. That was at 235, which was good to see because this is a level that's actually provided support in the past. So it was good to see that the price came down there, and once again, that level provided support. It would have been really bad if the price just had went down there and crashed through that level too, but that didn't happen. Got a little bit of a bounce from there. So that'll be the first key level, and the next level is just the overarching level, which is the pink line down there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very followed 200-period moving average, currently valued at just underneath the $2 mark. So keep an eye on those technical levels going forward. But yeah, rough day today. We'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.